Whoa! That'll wake you up in the morning, getting hit by the jump rope. Hey everyone, what a beautiful Irish morning here. What I want to talk about in this video though is something that I've heard a lot about in the comment section recently in some videos, and that is forearm fatigue. More often than not, if you're experiencing forearm fatigue, this is often very common, especially if you're new to jumping rope, because if you're new to jumping rope or new to any activity, you're not as relaxed as you might be if you've performed it for a long time. You might be a little bit too tense, and what that can do is it can lead to squeezing the jump rope handles. A lot of people new to jumping rope, they have a tendency to hold the jump rope handles too firmly. They squeeze the handles, and anytime you squeeze the handles or apply too much pressure on the handles, you are engaging your forearms. So if you're squeezing the handles, that will lead to forearm fatigue. So just watch out. If you're experiencing forearm fatigue, check how you're gripping the handles. You don't need a firm grip. Just keep the jump rope handles in your hand rather loose, yet not too loose. Just apply enough pressure to hold on to the ropes, and let your wrists, your elbows, and the momentum of the rope help swing the rope. You don't need to squeeze the handles, and you don't need to rotate your wrists excessively, which will also engage your forearms. You just have a nice gentle rhythm with your wrists when you spin the ropes. Don't squeeze the handles too hard, and when you're holding the handles, regardless of what size handles you use, I use long, short handles. I keep my thumb on top. As I talked about in a previous video, you can rotate a jump rope handle just using 2 fingers. So keep your thumb on top, and that will also help reduce the necessity of using your forearm too much when you're jumping rope. So just a couple quick tips there. Whoa! That'll wake you up in the morning, getting hit by the jump rope.